How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of water in your ears fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So some of the easiest ways to get rid of the water in your ear, the first tip that we're going to do is we're just going to tilt our head to one side. Seriously, that's all you have to do is just tilt it. Leave this position for about 5 minutes or so and allow the water to run out of your ear. That's one way. The next tip is to do the other side. So we're going to tilt our head to the other side and we're going to leave it for, again, around 5 minutes or so. And just allow the water to drip out of your ear. Very easy tips to do, you guys. All we're doing is we're just tilting our head. The next thing that you can do is apply a hot compress to your ears. What this will do is this will help get rid of the water. It'll kind of soak it up a little bit, and the warmth, again, will get rid of it. Another thing that you can do is you can buy eardrops. I know if water is in your ear, put eardrops in your ear, and then when you lay down for the night, just tilt your head to the side and it'll allow the water to eventually drip out and get out of your ear, you guys. So very easy tips. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.